Hi viewers, AI Rig Complex, Coin, ARC coin, platform Solana based coin, currently trending coin, last 24 hours time of recording, huge massive pumping so far, price increase jump 35% last 24-hour price increase up. Current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish, trading near a zone, RSI indicator near overbought position, price will increase rise. More pumping coming days, fear and greed index 70, greed index, price volatility, high volatile coin, currently 35%. Extremely high volatility. High volatile coin, RC coin, 35%. Extremely high volatility, currently 24-hour trading volume, 62 million, market cap 400 million, market dominance, AI, rig complex 0.01%, hold mid-term, short-term profitable. New base buy into trade point 39 cents. Hold mid-term, short-term profitable. 39 cents new base buy into trade point. Highest price, high cycle 38 cents. Current price near high cycle, highest price 38 cents. ARC coin against Bitcoin price increase up 200%. Against Bitcoin price increase of ARC coin 200% currently. Altcoin, ARC coin, 17 cryptocurrency exchange listed, 17 pairs. KuCoin, Bitmart, Bitget, Get.io, Mexi. Coming day listing Binance, price more pumping, rising. ARC coin, price prediction sentiment currently bullish. 10 technical analysis indicator signaling bullish buy signals and 3 signaling bearish sell signal currently bullish. Currently RSI indicator, ARC coin, relative strength index momentum value around 60-70 indicates overbought position. Price will increase rise. AI rig complex coin currently overbought position, near overbought position, price will increase rise, more pumping, rising coming days. Currently trading SMA, simple moving average, EM exponential moving average, 10.503 bullish. Currently ready SMA, EM at 10.503 bullish. It means AI rig complex coin, recent trend and coin bullish. Overall technical indicators sentiment bullish. Support level entry points 30 cents, 23 cents, and strongest support level entry point 17 cents. Strongest support level entry point 17 cents. Resistance levels 39 cents, 43 cents, and 50 cents resistance levels. Based on AI rig complex coin forecast, current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading near a zone, RSI indicator near overbought position. Price will increase rise, more pumping. Coming days, last 24 hours, huge massive pumping. So far, 35% price increase up. Hold medium term, short term, hold profitable. New base buy entry trade point at this level, base buy entry trade point 39 cents. 39 cents new base buy entry trade point, hold profitable. AI rig complex coin or coin ARC coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.